So I will be very happy as long as you will learn English with me. I will highly request to you, please start your journey. Don't delay. It's high time to practice English. It's high time to learn English properly. So start your journey and keep consistency in your speaking journey. Keep consistency every situation. Whatever you do, wherever you go, please keep consistency in your speaking journey. Okay, every situation, do try practice every day, every situation, uh, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So just speak up. I i believe that you will be able to a good English speaker sooner or later, inshallah. Right now, as you can see, I'm being able to speak English a little. Inshallah, sooner or later, we will be able to a good English speaker, as soon as possible. We will make it happen. We will make it happen. We will make something different. Inshallah.